Okay, here's a Cat 320. Not sure what year it is, but it's pretty new. Only has 500 hours on it. We'll do a walk around of it. There's a 36-inch bucket, standard stick, 28 inches wide of the tracks, 162 horsepower. Pretty good machine. Good size for what we're doing. We'll be digging out stumps with it. 86-gallon fuel tank, which is a lot. Pump right there. Exhaust filter. Gotta slam the door. Which is actually kind of amazing for being brand new. Or almost new. Gotta slam the door on it. Radiator. Power disconnect. And then there's one more door behind the door. Battery, air filter. That's a big old air filter right there too. Big, big, big. Show the engine real quick. Okay, up on top. Ouch. Trying to kneel down and hurt my knee. I don't even know if this thing's got a dipstick on it. All this stuff's computerized nowadays. Huh. You can check everything from the monitor inside. Look how big those fans are. Good golly. Alright, well, no dipstick that I can tell. Alright, but it does say you don't have to check. You don't have to get on top of the machine or nothing to check everything, so that's probably why. Stop looking from the top. Alright, show you the inside. This has got the new cab. Get my jacket out of the way. Nice air ride seat, push button start. A lot of functions on that monitor. So I actually been operating this thing for 5 hours yesterday. So what you do is turn the key on like that. Monitor does its thing. Like I said, I'm not really familiar with all the features it has, but then you push start. Oh, you know what? I put the hydraulic lever down. There we go. Anyway, 502.5 hours. Yesterday I had 497.5, so we ran it 5 hours like I was saying. Anyway, a lot of features. The radio is built into the thing there. Alright, well, let me run this thing for a little bit and we'll show you some more of it. Okay, so we're clearing these stumps out here. That's what I did yesterday for 5 hours. And I'm over here. And I'm going to turn around and show you what's going on. Get out of the sun. Okay, so this is what it looks like. What they had hired some timber guys to come in here and clear all the woods. And this is what they left behind, so he wants to de-stump it and turn it into pasture. Where he's got these flags marked, not the whole thing, but just where the flags are. I don't know if you can see them or not. But we'll clear out a little bit of trees. Clear out that right there. So that's what we're working on. Okay. Worked about 4 hours this morning, so got a little bit further down that way. But now I'm gonna get pulled off of that, doing that side, and come over here and do this side and get up there on top of the hill. There's a priority up there once we get up there. But anyway, just a nice little machine, nice little 320. I wish it had the hydraulic thumb though. That'd make it a whole lot easier dealing with these piles they got leaving on the ground everywhere, and of course the stumps. Because right now I just got to curl that bucket all the way up to that thumb, and sometimes I get a lot of dirt in there. But anyway, pain in the butt. But I do like it though. I do like the machine. Of course, it does have a lot of features that basically are necessary, you know. I mean, there's like, obviously the new systems, tier 4 and all that stuff is, you know, required nowadays. But anyway, radio and all that stuff runs through that monitor, so. But it is fun, I like it. Alright, well, I'm gonna end this video right here, so be sure to tune in for this. You know, I'm gonna keep on working this machine for, we got it for 40 hours for a week, so I'm gonna be doing more work with it, so keep on watching. All right, till the next one.